YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply, back again with a What's in the Box on Pentair's products. Today we are going to go over their Intellicenter upgrade kits that they have that will take you from a legacy Easy Touch into the new Intellicenter. So stay tuned. I'm going to dive in, give you guys some more information, and show you what comes in the box. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have the conversion kit for the legacy, which they call the 2003 to 2012 Easy Touch systems. This is meant for the i10P, so this is a pool only. This is not a pool spa, so if you guys have a spa, this is not going to work for that upgrade kit. But essentially what this does is this provides you the opportunity to transform your Easy Touch system into a new Intellicenter system. So again, if you guys aren't familiar what the differences are, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. But when you're talking about the technology from the Easy Touch to the IntelliTouch, or from the Easy Touch to the Intellicenters, you guys are going to get much more technology in the Intellicenter than you will in an Easy Touch system. So it's really cool that instead of having to buy an entire new board and replace every bit of your equipment, they have this really cool drop-in upgrade that actually has a brand new touchscreen on the top, which will allow you guys to just upgrade completely into an Intellicenter. So let's open it up. They offer all different versions of these upgrade kits. Again, we have them all directly on our website, so you can take a look. They have them for newer and easy touch systems to the Intellicenters, as well as the older ones like we're diving into. They have them across the i5s, the i10s, the pools, and the pool spas. So definitely make sure you guys do some research before you guys just purchase these, because it will depend on the current system that you have. Again, it is meant to operate the same. So when you're talking about an i10, you're talking about how many different relays that you guys will have available on your system. So it's really important to make sure that you guys do that little bit of research to figure out before you guys just dive in and buy this and end up having to return a big chunk of it. So they give you the full user manual here, which is really nice. And then they give you a bunch of new Intellicenter stuff. So this one is basically showing you guys the basics. It's an installation guide, but these booklets are going to be what you guys want to focus on. Those have a lot more information in there for you guys. Again, always give you guys the warranty card, especially for something like this when you guys are spending close to a grand on these items. You guys want to make sure you guys follow out those warranties, because it's going to be huge just in case something happens. Electronics can be a pain in the butt. And then again, a huge disclosure: turn your power off. Don't start poking around electricity with your power still running to your system. So get a meter out, start testing, flipping your breakers, making sure that you guys have everything shut off from your main breaker at your house, because the sub panel may be able to be turned off, but if you still have power coming from your main panel at your house, you still take the risk of shocking or frying some of these things. So make sure that you guys, when you're dealing with electricity, turn it off and verify it's off. So they're going to tell you all that. They give you new sticker diagrams. They tell you right here, you're going to place this over your old diagram that's inside your current panel, because as you guys open it up, it's going to have a full wire diagram, not only for your pool professional, but for those DIYs out there. It will have that whole wiring diagram, but they do give you a new one. So you will end up covering up both of those labels with the new ones, which is really cool. I like that they give those to you. And then let's dive into the actual guts of the system here. So they obviously give you a brand new transformer. So when you guys are starting to pull out your old unit, again, we have a video on actually doing a full transformation for you guys from an Easy Touch system. It's not this specific one. It wasn't a legacy one. It was more of a modern Easy Touch. But for this, they're typically all the same. It's just about the software for you guys and the ability to have different relays. So if you guys want some tips, make sure you guys check out that video, and the links in the description in the field for you guys. But you do get a new transformer here. And then what else we got? There's a lot of stuff in this. So of course they give you your brand new board. So again, this board is going to be a full touchscreen board. So once all this is actually wired in, it's got an open like motherboard here on the back where all of your devices are going to plug into. So this is your main guts on the entire swap. So again, if you guys want to know where to start with that, check out that video in the description for you guys. That'll actually walk you guys through it. Open this up. Of course, you get the ingenious antenna. I know that they are working on swapping this back out. They were having better luck with the older egg timer antennas that just had a better connection. This thing was just too powerful for most things just because the signal can be seen from a mile down the road. So typically it was blowing right through people's Wi-Fi's and it wasn't connecting properly. So they have started to make a transition again back to that two-step egg antenna. So when you guys do purchase these, you may get that different egg antenna. It's still not going to matter in terms of the rest of the installation. It's just about the fact that you're going to have a better connection with that one compared to these ingenious ones. But they give you all the other wiring here for it. It's got the actual antennas that will screw in, the wiring that runs from this to the actual board once you just get everything set up. Again, check out the video. Your excuse me, your steps are going to be typically replacing the panel first and then swapping out that transformer and then working on your antenna. So this is going to come last. So just take this out, save it for then. So then that way you guys don't accidentally lose this for any reason or forget about it. It will be one of your last steps on getting everything hooked up. So it's the only way you're going to get hooked back up to the internet. So, and then from there, that's pretty much everything that comes included. I really love their packaging. They give everything out nice and coordinated for you guys, so everything has its own spot, so nothing can get really damaged. Again, when you're spending the kind of money that you are on something like this, it's really nice that you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in shipping. So these are not trade grade, so we do have them all available directly on our website. So again, check out the links in the description so that way you guys can kind of fine tune and see which one works for your system. But yeah, just want to show you guys what came in the box. So again, if you guys want help with the video, if you guys have already purchased one, check out the links in the description. Again, we did a full installation for you guys out in the field of replacing an old Easy Touch system. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Again, be sure to subscribe. We'll have a ton more videos on all these products coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.